Have you ever wondered why people sometimes cling to group beliefs, even when faced with irrefutable facts that challenge their stance? This is the intriguing concept of tribe over truth. The human predisposition towards tribalism is deeply ingrained, dating back to our earliest ancestors who relied on social groups for survival. Today, this tribalistic inclination manifests in various societal contexts, often overriding our commitment to truth and facts. Take, for instance, the political arena. Recent election campaigns worldwide have seen a surge in misinformation and fake news, with many people choosing to believe narratives that align with their political affiliations, irrespective of their factual accuracy. The rise of online echo chambers, where individuals are exposed primarily to viewpoints similar to their own, has further fueled this phenomenon. A prime example can be found in the United States during the 2020 presidential election. Despite clear evidence to the contrary, a significant number of voters continued to believe and propagate unfounded claims about widespread voter fraud. This belief was not rooted in truth, but in tribal loyalty. But it's not just politics. The COVID-19 pandemic has also highlighted the prevalence of tribe over truth. Despite the overwhelming scientific consensus on the efficacy of vaccines, vaccine hesitancy remains a significant issue. For many, their stance on vaccines is not based on scientific evidence, but on their social or ideological affiliations. So why does this happen? Psychologists suggest that our brains are wired for tribalism. We find comfort in belonging to a group, and we are naturally inclined to defend our tribe and its beliefs. This tribal loyalty can be so strong that it overrides our capacity for critical thinking, leading us to dismiss or reinterpret facts that challenge our group's narrative. This phenomenon has profound implications for public discourse and democracy. It fosters polarization and impedes constructive dialogue, as people become more invested in defending their tribal identities than in pursuing truth. However, it's not all doom and gloom. By acknowledging our tribalistic tendencies, we can strive to counteract them. Promoting critical thinking, encouraging diversity of thought, and fostering an environment where facts are valued over tribal loyalty are crucial steps towards a more informed and balanced society. In summary, tribe over truth is a pervasive phenomenon rooted in our evolutionary past. It manifests in various social and political contexts, often distorting our perception of reality. While it presents significant challenges, understanding its mechanisms can help us mitigate its impact and foster a more fact-based discourse. Remember, the pursuit of truth should never be compromised by our tribal allegiances. As the old saying goes, facts do not cease to exist because they are ignored. Let's strive to be a society that values truth over tribe, not the other way around. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.